Students, in the previous class, we have derived an expression for electric field at any point on equatorial plane. At any point on equatorial plane or equatorial line. Okay. The equatorial line is one which is the perpendicular bisector of dipole length. Okay. Now see the diagram carefully. Today we have discussed. Once again, I want to explain it. Plus Q and minus Q are two point charges separated by certain distance, which constitute electric dipole. Plus Q and minus Q. What is the distance between them? 2a. Okay. What is midpoint of the dipole length? O. O is the midpoint of dipole length. OP is perpendicular bisector of dipole length. The distance between O and P is R. Okay. Imagine unit positive charge at P. Assume unit positive charge at P. Okay. The electric field at P, electric intensity at P, due to charge plus Q is given by this expression. E1 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by R square plus A square. What is the direction of that? It is along AP. It is along AP. The positive charge at A repels unit positive charge at P. It is along AP. Okay. Y divided by R square plus A square. The distance AP square is R square plus A square according to Pythagoras theorem. The distance OP is R and distance OA is A, half of dipole length. In this right angle triangle, AP square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square, R square plus A square. Okay. Now electric intensity at P due to minus Q charge at B, due to charge minus Q at B is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q divided by R square plus A square. What is the direction of that? Along PB. Why along PB? Because source charge at B is minus Q, negative. It attracts unit positive charge assumed at P. Okay. Now, what is left? Our aim is now to find out the resultant of E1 and E2. To find out the resultant of E1 and E2. Okay. If this angle is theta, then this angle will also be theta, because the two sides AP and BP are equal. AP and BP are equal because point P is equal distance from both A and B. Okay. Therefore, if this angle is theta, this angle is also theta. Therefore, this angle is theta, and this angle is also theta. Okay, elementary knowledge of geometry. Now, the vector E1 can be resolved into two rectangular components, namely E1 sin theta, vertical upward, and E1 cos theta along horizontal. Similarly, E2 can also be resolved into two components. E2 sin theta vertical downward and E2 cos theta on horizontal. Okay. The two components along the equatorial line, they are equal and opposite at P. They are acting at P. They are equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. Therefore, they cancel each other. E1 sin theta and E2 sin theta get cancelled each other at P. Okay. Now, E1 cos theta and E2 cos theta are acting along the same direction at P. Both E1 cos theta and E2 cos theta are on the same line acting at P. Therefore, the resultant of E1 cos theta and E2 cos theta, the resultant of E1 cos theta and E2 cos theta is sum of E1 cos theta and E2 cos theta. Okay. Okay. Now see. The resultant of E1 cos theta and E2 cos theta at P is E is equal to vector E is equal to E1 cos theta plus E2 cos theta into what is the direction of this resultant along the direction parallel to AB. If the direction is parallel to AB, parallel to AB means opposite to the direction of electric dipole moment. What is the direction of electric dipole moment? From minus q to plus q, but it is from plus q to minus q. Therefore, the direction is written as minus p cap. Try to remember this, minus p cap. Why minus sign indicates that the direction of E is opposite to the direction of electric dipole moment. P cap is unit vector along the direction of dipole moment. Minus p cap is opposite to that direction. Okay. So the resultant is parallel to AB, which is opposite to BA. What is BA? BA is direction of electric dipole moment. AB is direction of resultant. Okay. Now E1 plus E2 into cos theta into minus p cap. Okay. What is E1? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. 2 by r square plus a square plus E2 is also same in magnitude. E2 is also same in magnitude. Therefore, it is written as 2 times into cos theta into minus p cap. Okay. Okay. What is cos theta? Cos theta is what? Cos theta is adjacent side AO divided by hypotenuse side AB in right angle triangle APO. Okay. Therefore, it is A divided by root r square plus a square. Right number is. Okay. Is equal to what? Q into 2A. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught as it is. Q into 2A is electric dipole moment P divided by r square plus a square raised to 1 into r square plus a square raised to 1 by 2. R square plus a square raised to 1 into r square plus a square raised to 1 by 2. Base is r square plus a square. Power is 1 and 1 by 2. The sum of 1 and 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. Raised to 3 divided by 2. What is the direction? Direction is minus p cap. Direction is given by minus p cap. Okay. So this is the expression for electric field strength at any point on equatorial line of dipole. Okay, right. See, if suppose the dipole is short dipole. What is short dipole? If R is very very large compared to A, or if A is very very small compared to R, then in that case for short dipole, R is very very large compared to A. In that case, E becomes 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught vector P divided by R cube into minus p cap. This is called short dipole. Okay, right. Now, this is for 5 marks. Try to remember the diagram correctly and write the steps in detail. Okay. First we have to write about the diagram. ಏನು diagram ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ? Consider electric dipole. The dipole moment P is equal to Q into 2A, where Q is charge on either, okay, either charge of the dipole, and 2A is dipole length. Okay, let O be the midpoint of dipole length. Let OP be the equatorial line, and OP equal to R is distance between O and P, and etc. Okay, etc. Using the expression for electric intensity, we will derive this. Okay, try to remember all the steps. Okay, now after knowing this, another important aspect about electric dipole moment. What is that? When the dipole is placed in uniform electric field, when a dipole is placed in uniform electric field, such that dipole, like the dipole axis, makes angle theta with the electric field. If dipole moment makes angle theta with the electric field, with the direction of uniform electric field, then what is the torque experienced by electric dipole? What is the torque experienced, couple or torque experienced by electric dipole placed in uniform electric field, such that the dipole axis makes angle theta with the electric field. The dipole moment vector P makes angle theta with the dipole with the electric field. Dipole moment P makes angle theta with the direction of electric field. That can be now drawn. That diagram will now be drawn. What is the side heading? Side heading, you know, torque. Torque on electric dipole torque on electric dipole in uniform electric field. Uniform electric field. Okay, torque on electric dipole placed in uniform electric field. This line represents uniform electric field. Okay, this line represents uniform electric field, and see, AB is dipole length. AB is dipole length. The dipole axis AB makes angle theta with the electric field. With the electric field. Okay. Yes. Now, the charge plus Q experiences electric field along the direction of electric field, because at P, positive charge is placed, plus Q is there at P. Therefore, it experiences force along the direction of electric field. Positive charge experiences electric force along the direction of electric field. Yes or no? Therefore, F is equal to QE here. QE. Similarly, the negative charge at A, minus Q charge at A, experiences same amount of force, but in opposite direction. But in opposite direction, same amount of charge, but in opposite direction. Okay? Okay? Because charge at A is negative. The direction of force experienced by negative charge is opposite to the direction along which force is experienced by positive charge. Okay? That means these two forces acting at A and B are equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. The two forces are equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. Two equal and opposite forces. Two equal and unlike forces acting at two different points on the same body, same dipole, same body, constitute what? Two equal and opposite forces acting at two different points on a body constitute what? Last year, 8th chapter, system of particles and rotational motion, chapter number 8, constitute torque or couple. Torque or couple. Okay? Torque or couple. Torque or couple. See, the torque toe experienced by the dipole AB, by the dipole AB experiences torque because two forces acting at A and B are equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. They are equal in magnitude, two forces are equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. Therefore, they constitute torque. So, the torque is experienced by dipole. So, that is given by what? Force into perpendicular distance between two forces. What is that? Perpendicular distance between two forces. Another perpendicular distance. O. Correct? O. BO is the perpendicular distance. BO is the perpendicular distance between two equal and unlike forces. BO. Okay? Right. BO. If this angle is theta, then this angle is also theta. Theta. See, in triangle ABO or AOB, side OB is opposite to the angle theta. Side OB is opposite to angle theta. And this angle is 90 degree. AB is, our dipole length is hypotenuse. Okay. Therefore, what is sin theta from that triangle? Sin theta is equal to what? Opposite side BO divided by hypotenuse AB. Yes or no? Therefore, BO is equal to what? BO is equal to what? BO is equal to AB sin theta. F equal to what? QE. We have discussed that E is equal to F by Q, force per unit charge. Electric field at a point is defined as force experienced per unit charge. E equals F by Q, therefore F equal to QE. QE into AB sin theta. BO is AB sin theta. AB sin theta. Okay. AB sin theta. Now, it can be written as Q into AB into E sin theta. What is AB equals dipole length 2A. AB is 2A E into sin theta. Okay. What is Q into 2A? Product of either charge and dipole and dipole length. What is that? You are correct. Electric dipole moment P cross E. Or simply first it is P sin theta. P sin theta. Okay. P sin theta. And torque is a vector quantity. In vector form it is written as P cross E. P cross E. Vector P cross E. The tau is vector P cross E, which is P sin theta. Correct? P sin theta. This is the equation for torque experienced by electric dipole placed in uniform electric field such that dipole axis or dipole moment makes angle theta with the direction of electric field. Now, minus q to plus q. Dipole moment, what is the direction of electric dipole moment? From minus q to plus q. So, from minus line joining from minus q to plus q makes angle theta with electric field. Makes angle theta with electric field. Correct? Right. Special cases. ಏನು special case? ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದು case. If theta is 0, if theta is equal to 0 degree, then what is sin 0 degree? 0. What is the torque experienced by? 0. Means what? If dipole